The Dorbar Shnong of Mawlyndep village in Riboy district has issued a stern warning to all villagers and outsiders, urging them to cease the burning of forests due to its detrimental effects on the environment and the potential risks it poses to residents. The cautionary measure comes in the wake of a recent incident where unidentified individuals set fire to a portion of the forest within Mawlyndep jurisdiction on Monday evening, sparking concerns for the safety of local inhabitants. Such actions not only endanger the environment but also raise serious threats to the lives and properties of those residing in the vicinity.
Kani kiti thang khlak baloja man kapor sini dementa kalong ba hawa indai bakido tang kiding ki se indai bakido ki ka khlaw ka tap bat ka polluting ru ya ka environment nang ta ya ka nang tam di tang kata mentala da ki briu ki bathang kumni menta kan ing ski yeng ki samsung ki briu kan ing ski briu ki ha ka jing thang khlaw kumni manawan ba klik kanya kani Teka Dorbar Shnong Mawlyndep hi ka ai ka jing maham baladlap ye kinu ki bathang khlaw kumni kan ai ka jing system ka ba bat kan ai ru da ka FIR persya ik ti kinu no bathang khlaw tena ka post ka po Dorbar Shnong Mawlyndep ka ju maham baladlap ye ki bathang ding an ai da ka bating bat nala an ai FIR ru shaki board jom ka pulit.
The Khelo India athletes will now be